Hey guys, I'm showing you this ZUCCIO portable clothes dryer. It's a mini electric laundry dryer with the three heat setting. So great for the RV small rooms where you don't have the dryer. You see, like, it give a hot air and secure. The clothes are inside, so it can the dry it with the three temperature settings and four timer modes. So the sound is not that much. It's all most quiet with a 36 decibel and compact travel dryer, so you can take it anywhere with you. So it's great for small clothes or a small lot to dry. And this is like how you set the temperature and then the timer. So it have also have a UV function, so I will show that to you. So here it comes in this box, and you can just open this up and let me just show one by one. So this is the main the dryer. So you see, like, the compact size. So there is the chamber here that you can take this thing out, where we can put in the clothes and then take it. So here are the function, and let me just open this completely. So this is the length. So this is a place where the heat is coming out, and then the hanger place in here. You see a small hook, so that you can put in. So I just put in a hanger here, and now just I put one shirt. So this one is easy to just zip it, and then you can set in the temperature. So they are 55, 65 and 75 degrees Celsius temperature. Four timer setting with the 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hour, 8 hour, and then the UV function is there, so you can on and off. So say, like, once the temperature is off, this will turn off, and you can just open the zipper and take this out. So there will be a hot air running through these two motors. So quad core drive, which is really efficient, and you can see, like, the shirt, that it is all dry now, and you can just hang it in the closet. So particularly, like, once you are done, you can easily just wrap it up and use it anywhere. So smart drying, so you can use it anywhere, whatever you want to use, and take it anywhere. This is the UV, you can see, like, the UV light, and you can just turn this off. So this is like the timer thing and temperature thing. So great here, the dryer for a compact size, for the travel, and for emergency use. And once you are done, it's pretty easy to just close it down, and it will be a small box thereafter. So I like this for the small purpose use, and you can just use it in a closet, just hang it there, and just switch it on and wrap it up. So not taking a lot of space, and much more efficient and good to use with the drying purpose for emergency drying. So here, once done, you can just close and just take it with you. So nice overall small dryer, and use only with the 110 watt.